Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the 7th annual Magnus Foundation of Public Lecture and Scholarship Award
I am
ceremony.
Victor. I feel very excited for this opportunity of the Magnus Foundation.
Hi, my name is Okoho Pichoma.
I'm grateful for what they have been giving to us and how they have been helping the poor.
I'm so excited. I'll be going to school this year and I'll be going for free. And
I'm so excited to be part of the people who are favored.
Even the needy, I'm so happy and I'm so glad to be one of the beneficiaries.
Give us the opportunity. I really appreciate that.
Thanks to Magnus Foundation.
Painting fire across the sky. Every heart and every hand feels the strength of this land. Mama said, don't lose your friend. Your soul remembers your name. Brother, sister, stand as one. Oh, a brighter day has just begun. Rise again, Africa. Lift your voice into the sky. Africa, let your spirit never die. We stand, we shine with the sun.
Otito Jesu. Nando nanta oje yana.
Rise in our eyes. Rise again, Africa. Your light will always rise. Your always rise. Children dance beneath the sun. Elders smile, the healing's begun. Drums are calling through the ground. Freedom lives inside the sound. No storm can break the roots below. No fear can stop the seed we sow. From the village.
Students, let's go.